Stay safe.
Jenny, thank you. And as the demand for COVID-19 vaccines exceed the supply in Yuma County, local state representatives want you to know they are working nonstop to try and get more vaccines in our area. News 11's Crystal Jimenez tells us just how they're doing this and if we're any closer to getting more vaccines. Crystal?
Both sides of the aisle have the same goal, and that's getting these vaccines into Yuma County. And while we still haven't heard when we can expect the next batch of vaccines, state legislators tell me they are making progress. From phone calls to Zoom meetings, Arizona state legislators are working effortlessly to get more vaccines into Yuma County, starting with a plea to the new president, Joe Biden.
Senator Atondo and I sent a letter to the president before he was a president-elect, asking him to look into what was happening here in Yuma County. Everyone thinks that their county and their area is very unique, and I understand that, but ours really is unique, and we try to explain that.
The letter explains Yuma County runs along the Mexico border where thousands cross daily. The flow of agriculture workers and winter visitors, all here for a limited time.
When you have over, 14,300 vaccine doses here in Yuma County, and you're talking about, just our regular population being over 150,000, almost 200,000, and then an additional that I just talked about, 14,000 is just not enough.
State Representative Tim Dunn says last week he and other health officials met the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in Yuma County.
They had someone here in Yuma County this whole past week going through their numbers and evaluating the information we'd given them, saying that our census was wrong. And so I met with her on Friday morning, and she agreed that we were hoping that they can change those numbers for the census, because that's how they're dividing the numbers up. Then it would automatically give us more vaccines.
Meanwhile, as local health providers continue to wait for the next allocation to come through, they all say they have staff ready to help distribute the vaccine. We've reached out to the Yuma County Health Department and the CDC in regards to their visit last week and are still waiting to hear back. For the most up-to-date information, head over to kyma.com and look for the coronavirus page. Reporting in Yuma, Crystal Jimenez, News 11.
Crystal, thank you. Yuma Regional Medical Center is inviting our community to join together for a special week-long event that started on Saturday. News 11's Cody Lee has all the details.
Crystal, good evening to you. Unite with Light offers a time for hope and healing, and the community is encouraged to come together and honor